Hello, it's the 16th of December. What have we got in the advent calendar today? Let's have a little look. 16. Is it a button?
I think it is. I think it goes on your base there.
As Darling Wife suggests, it may go in here. There's a button. There we go, very exciting. Oh, and there's the actual button itself inside. So that'll sit on there like that. Get it pressed in. Put it all together. Let's see what today's fact is. So today's facts are all about the Mark V Golf GTI. It was introduced in 2004. It was equipped with a modern engine that was also used in the Audi A3. 16 valves and 2 overhead camshafts, operated with the TFSI engine, which stands for Turbo Fuel Stratified Injection. Stratified Turbo.
Easy for you to say.
That's what she said. She did actually just say it just now. Which means that direct petrol injection was turbocharged at up to 6,000 RPM and the engine produced 209 brake horsepower. The Mark V Golf had also, as previous models, increased its overall size, meaning overall it was 55 centimetres longer than the original Mark I Golf. The Edition 30 GTI was released to mark the 30th anniversary. And this is one of my favourite all-time Golfs really. I love the Mark V and the Edition 30 was a thing of beauty. Its styling was quite discreet. It had body-coloured bumpers, black alloy wheels, it had the checkered pattern on the seats and a golf ball gear knob. Increased boost pressure and hardware modifications, technicians managed to boost the brake horsepower of this engine to 230 brake horsepower. There was no limit to the number of units made for the 30th edition anniversary model. And when it was released it was priced almost €28,000. Seems very reasonable compared to modern price of cars. Here's a beautiful example of one in the book. That's it for today. Join us tomorrow for another exciting edition. Mark II Golf Stories Christmas edition. Hooray!